how to connect or automatic to have a Zoom link in your GHL. So actually, even we already create connected the Zoom account in our connection. Doesn't mean that it will give you automatic link from the Zoom. So that's why I'm going to share to you or show to you how to do this. So let's go back here in our Digital CS Academy schedule. So click that and then go to staff and location. So before that, let's go here in our Zoom link or Zoom account and create a schedule or create a schedule link or meeting from Zoom. So click schedule. And then we will schedule a meeting here. So for example, this is for a digital CS Academy meeting. Okay. And then you can add description on this. So for when, just leave it like that. So actually, I will start it right now so we can get immediately the link. And then duration, so it depends to you. So I will just do 30 minutes. So for example, okay, okay, 30 minutes. And then your time zone. And then we will not click the recurring meeting. Okay, so you will not add also any invitees there. Registration, don't click that and make sure generate automatically. So, and then, so we will just do everything as is here. And then what you want to do is also notes. So if you have AI notes for this, you just click all participants. Meeting chat. So if you want to enable the chat with your meeting, and then video. So usually automatic participant will turn on their camera, and then save. Okay, so right now, that's what we really need, this link here. So copy that, and then let's go back to our GHL. So here in the custom, we will paste here the Zoom link and then add display label. So Digital CS Academy meeting. All right, and then okay, okay, that's it. So now save changes and we will try this. Okay, so now let's go here in our here, and then let's go. Let's paste it here. And let's try to create or to book an appointment. So for example, 31st, and let's try this 12:30 and select. And then I will write my name, phone number, and then my email address, and then let's just say test, like that. So because this is a paid, so we're screwed. Okay, uh, so actually let's remove that. Let's remove the payment because I cannot do the booking here. Okay, so let me accept payments, save changes. All right, and then let's try again. Okay, let's try again. So divine test, confirm, schedule. All right, and then you can see here automatic, it has a link already.